It's nice to have Brett back. This is where you should be, Brett.
Thank you. It's nice to be high instead of far. Indeed.
We're standing in the middle of Times Square. Millions of people each year come to New York City, and they come for Times Square. Now, the anniversary is called South Africa. During your cast, you will be doing an interactive South Africa travel expo in order to bring additional tourism to South Africa. With me today from South African tourism are
Hello. Meow, meow, meow. Oh. Oh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la.
South Africa to Life, we each create an interactive travel expo that will showcase